Hey guys, in this video, I'll be giving you a detailed review on Credit Karma Money. So make sure to watch till the end to know the final verdict. Alright, so let's get started. What is Credit Karma Money? Credit Karma, which is best known for its free credit monitoring services, started Credit Karma Money in 2019 as a way to simplify savings and offer a higher annual percentage yield APY than traditional banks. While Credit Karma Money is not a bank, it has partnered with MVB Bank to offer banking products. It offers fee-free savings and checking accounts as well as a credit builder loan. It also offers helpful money management resources such as retirement and budget calculators and financial advice articles. How does Credit Karma Money work? To open a checking or savings account with Credit Karma Money, you will first need a Credit Karma account. This account is free and can also be used for credit score monitoring if you choose. From here, you can open up a spend account checking or save account savings or both. You will need to verify your mailing address, phone number, and social security number to open either account. You won't find a wide range of banking products with Credit Karma Money, but it does offer 3 free accounts for savings, checking, and credit building. Credit Karma Money Save offers a free savings account with a competitive APY of 4.1% as of publication. This is made possible through its network of 800+ partner banks. Not only is there no minimum balance required to open or maintain the account, but there are also no hidden fees to worry about. With Credit Karma Money's savings account, your balance is eligible for up to $5 million of insurance with the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation (FDIC). Credit Karma Money Spend is a no-fee checking account that allows you to deposit and withdraw money, pay bills, and make purchases with a debit card. There are no monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements, and you can get paid up to 2 days early when you set up direct deposit with your paycheck. The Credit Karma Credit Builder Plan is a quick and easy way to build or improve your credit score. You can apply for the loan through the Credit Karma app or website and receive an instant decision without a hard pull to your credit. Your monthly payments are reported to the 3 major credit bureaus, potentially helping you establish a positive credit history. The funds for the loan are held in a savings account while you make payments, and once you hit $500, the funds are released to you. Credit Karma Money doesn't charge fees for its savings account, checking account, or credit builder loan. However, there are fees that are charged by its third-party providers. 1% foreign transaction fee charged by Visa. ATM fees for out-of-network provider. Is Credit Karma Money legit? Credit Karma is a legitimate fintech business with over 100 million members. While it is not a bank, it is partnered with MVB Bank. Your savings balance can be insured for up to $5 million via Credit Karma Money's network banks. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.